How to activate your Facebook account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the way on how you can reactivate your Facebook account if you had set them for deletion or if you had tried to deactivate your account before and now you want to reactivate it. So you just want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in my case, I just deleted my account recently and I just changed my mind that I want to reactivate it again. But keep in mind that if you actually just deactivated it, no matter what the time period, you can actually gain access back into your account. But if you set them for deletion previously, and it gives you 30 days before you try to reactivate your account again, and if it's been past 30 days since you try to delete your account, then you'll not be able to reactivate your account in any way. So you just have to keep that in mind. Now after that, what I will do is I'll just go ahead and launch Facebook application. Now in order to reactivate our Facebook account, we'll just try to log into that same Facebook account which we were trying to reactivate, and let's see what it's going to tell us. So I'll enter my email address over here. Once I enter my email address, I'll also go ahead and enter my password as well. Now once you have entered your email address and password, as you can see in this case, I'll just tap on the login button at the bottom. As I tap on the login button, it might ask you and give you some kind of pop-up saying that you have tried to actually delete your account before and now you have to confirm your identity or anything. But if you've deactivated them and if it's just logging it, that's perfectly fine. But if it doesn't, you can see it says confirm your identity. To log into your Facebook account, you need to confirm your identity, so just tap on the get started button. It might ask you to verify with your email or sometimes with the legal documents and so on. So it says your account is scheduled for deletion on 30th December 2022, which means that I schedule it for deletion. But if you want to continue to Facebook, just tap on the yes continue to Facebook button at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on yes continue to Facebook button, you will have successfully gained access back into your account. So just go ahead and tap on the yes continue to Facebook button as well. And that's all it takes to activate your Facebook account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.